a collection of fundamental processes for FLUX-GGUF quantization. When I posted this workflow a few days ago, it was still based on the NF4 version with not many significant changes. The main difference was in the K-camera settings. This part is image-to-image generation. Regardless of the situation, when an image enters the latent space, it definitely needs to be encoded. Nowadays, the GGUF quantized Q4 model can replace the NF4 model, and its performance is better than that of the NF4 model. ComfyUI also agrees with this view. He said this plugin for BNB NF4 is likely to be deprecated. I agree with him, so let's integrate this process today. High resolution restore tattoo images, magnified 1.5 times without losing detail. The denoising level of the second sampler should be appropriately lower, otherwise it would completely generate a new image. Partial repaint, the latter half of yesterday's video mentioned the process of partial repaint. This time, what's new? Adding diffusion to diffusion helps us redraw more effectively. So denoising is definitely needed because for diffusion to diffusion, it supports such a level of intensity. The final step in this training process is actually effective. Actually, we can make some adjustments here, and it can also be used to fix hands. It's just a sharing of ideas. I did a final zoom in here, but I made it in a safeguarding manner. Q8 is closer to the original model, while Q4 is more commonly used. Nowadays, it serves as an alternative to the NF4 model. Navigate to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 120 HB. Logging in daily will give you an additional 100 points. The AI workflow corresponding to the video. All AI applications that can be started with one click have been deployed online and are now available for online operation and testing.